Hello everyone! Get ready for hilarious fails, unexpected surprises, and moments that are almost impossible not to laugh at.
Oh my god, get up!
Don't worry, that was just a soft foam hammer.
Oh, damn, there's a bug on you! There's not a bug on. I think I like
That looked like a rough moment, but thankfully, he's completely fine. I wasn't paying enough attention and had a small collision, but thankfully, he's fine.
What the? Oh my god!
Be careful on that rail, my friend, and keep your balance. Looks like the workout machine got the better of her this time.
No. Oh my god.
Dito mo iho?
He gave this park game a try, but the challenge got the better of him.
Nani?
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Zaya.
Did you do it?
Can anyone actually keep a straight face after seeing his helmet? He handled that moment really smoothly and recovered like a pro. The wave hit her unexpectedly, but thankfully she's fine afterward. One awkward step on the way down was enough to send her falling. He lost his footing and took a sudden fall, but he's okay.
Yeah, I see it.
Don't worry, that stick is made of lightweight plastic.
González, Roman, invente, Roman, invente, Riquelme!
Something tells me she might have had a little too much to drink. Something went wrong with that serve, though luckily he wasn't hurt.
¿Viste? El pendejo se cayó de hocico.
What kind of bottle is that supposed to be? She took a little fall, but thankfully she's completely fine.
Смотри, тут еще что есть. Это для чего?
Has anyone here ever tried a ride like this before?
Oh, Zida.
She definitely didn't plan on ending up inside that inflatable ring.
No.
Der Fluss ächzt, während mit jedem
That layer of ice was way too weak to hold his weight. That jump started with confidence and ended very differently than expected. That sudden splash caught her totally off guard. Was I the only one who jumped when that happened? Looks like that TV finally decided to give up. That fall looked rough, but thankfully, she's completely fine afterward. It looked surprising, but thankfully it was only a soft ball.
¿Quieran traerse? Yo me traje al Jack.
He looks like he's still trying to figure out how this even happened. He lost control, the vehicle rolled over, and he went down with it. Her balance gave out at the wrong moment, but thankfully, she's fine. He tried to put the trash bin back in place, but the attempt didn't go as planned. That teamwork was perfectly timed from start to finish. He looks like he's having a little fun, teasing his friend.
Look.
She ran a little too fast by the pool and suddenly lost her balance. She lost control of her own vehicle for a moment, though thankfully she's fine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One bad step on the stairs quickly sent him falling. Luckily, the bike flew off without hitting anyone. Don't worry, that was just a harmless ball and he's completely fine. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos.